Hey guys, today I just want to show you quick how to change a humidifier panel. Most of them are pretty much the same. Find out how it opens. This one is a 600 series. The 550 series open from the side here. But for this one, you just pop the bottom off. There's two clips on bottom and top. Take that lid off, set it aside. And here you got your humidifier panel. I just replaced mine recently, so it's nice and new. If yours hasn't been replaced for a while, there's probably going to be a bunch of scale buildup. And if you press your finger, chances are you're going to be able to press right through it. It's going to just crumble in your hands. Then you take this hose off. This is the water supply. Take that hose off. You can take it off from the side so it's not in the way. Like that. And then you just pull these two tabs on top. And that takes it out. And now you can remove the panel. And I like to take this water supply hose and stick it into the drain, just in case somehow water is going to go pouring out of there so it doesn't go all over the place. Then you got your water panel. The frame stays. The only thing you replace is this inside panel. So to do that, you take the top off. Usually there's either clips like this or these little notches in here that you just pluck out, but the top always comes off. Set that aside for now too. And then the humidifier panel just slides right out. Usually it's going to be really dusty and nasty, so I don't know, you might want to have a box under it or something to catch all the debris that's going to be falling off of it. Then you put the new one in. Most of them are directional, and what I mean by that is there will be a mark, a black or a red mark on top. That side is the side that goes on top. As you notice, the other side does not have that. So slide that in, put this back together. And as you can see, there's notches here and here, so the water supply hose can really go either that way or that way, doesn't matter. Snap that in place, and then when you're putting it back in, take the hose out and put in the drain side of the frame first, into the drain, and then when you're putting the top in, you should hear a snap snap on both sides. So snap, snap, then you know it's in place. Then you stick the hose back into the hole, put the panel back on, or the cover, and you are good to go.